TheJapanesePage.com's Beginning Japanese Phrases. Welcome to the first episode of TheJapanesePage.com's Beginning Japanese Phrases. While these mini conversation lessons can be used individually, each podcast will build upon the previous one to enable even the beginner to express concepts beyond textbook Japanese. You may want to listen to each lesson repeatedly before moving on to the next one. Today you will learn how to say, I want to eat something and I want to drink something. Let's get started. First, let's hear the phrase, I want to eat something.
何か食べたいです。
Literally, this is something I want to eat. Something is
何か
the tabetai is made up of to eat, taberu, and tai changes the meaning to I want. So, tabetai means I want to eat. Notice the I is assumed, but it could just as easily mean you want to eat. Repeat after the speaker.
何か食べたいです。何か食べたい。何か食べたいです。
Let's change one part to say, I want to drink. To drink in Japanese is nomu. Just like with I want to eat, to say I want to drink, you can just add tai after changing the verb slightly, nomitai. Listen and repeat.
飲みたい。飲みたい。
Can you guess how to say I want something to drink?
何か飲みたいです。 何か飲みたいです。
And now to recap. Say, I want something to eat.
何か食べたいです。
And I want something to drink.
何か飲みたいです。
Thank you for listening. The next lesson will build from what we have learned here.
それじゃあまたね。